Okay, we're here.
Yay! Woohoo! We're at the big pool.
Let's go have fun, girls.
Yay! Yay! Woo! Cool! Come on, Elsa, let's go in the pool.
Splashy, splash,
Come on, come in the pool.
Whee! I'll spin you, girls.
Okay. Woo! Spinny, spin, spin. Woohoo! Spinny, spin, spinny, spin. Woo! Spinny, spin, spin. Woo! Elsa, what's that blue thing over there? I haven't seen that before.
Yeah, me neither.
You'll love it, girls. Huh? You know about this?
You know about
What is it? Is it a unicorn?
Well, okay, I'll tell you. It's actually my water knock. Come on, water knock. But I thought they were real. I thought water knocks were real. They are.
My mommy always said water knocks aren't real.
I don't know why she said they aren't real, but they are.
Wow! I'm gonna ride on him.
Okay, go ahead and feel free. I'm going to go and play around.
Woo! Whoa!
Whoa!
Whoa, he fell.
He looks so cool. Whoa! Wow! Wow! Yay! Splashy, splashy, splash.
What?
Whoa! There's so many people here. Wow! Oh, and there's a big slide. Huh? What's? Huh?
What?
Whoa! It's Maui.
Hello.
Maui.
Hi. How are you?
Good.
Would you like to ride my boat? Free to ride it.
Sure. I love it too.
Okay, just get on the platform right there.
Woohoo! None of the boo-boo. I called the smell first.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. You
Yes.
sit right there.
No, I meant
Stop
no.
it. Yes.
Not yes.
Quit
No.
it, Fry. Kiki wants his boat. Get off of here.
No.
Stop it. I called it first.
I said it first. No, me.
Hey, be nice, girls, or we're gonna leave.
Okay, we will.
Okay, I'll stay here.
Woo! Whoa! Woohoo! Please! And as always, Anya's all first. Thanks for the ride.
No problem.
Woo! Thank you. Oh, hi, Auntie Elsa.
Hi. How are you? So I heard you were riding a boat. Was it fun? Of course.
Yeah, it was super cool. One day I want to get a boat of our own.
Okay,
Yeah.
maybe so. We'll have to talk about it.
Yay! Wait,
Oh, mommy.
Yes?
I see someone over there that I really wanted to go see.
Who
Please.
is it?
It's our friend Arana.
Okay.
I really want to go see her.
Okay.
hello, Arana.
Oh, hey.
Hi, Arana.
Hi. Hey, big sign.
see.
Hey, Arana. Hey.
Are you having fun?
Yeah, woohoo! Yay!
Hi, baby. Splashy, splash, splash.
Slide and whee!
I'm gonna go on
Oh.
my belly.
I'm gonna go.
Bleh.
I'm gonna go on my back, please. Whee! Whee! Yay! Oh! Whoa! Look at these. They're separate ones. Wow! Separate ones. Yay! Hey, you can go on my back. Come on.
Okay.
Whoa!
Bleh.
Hey, battle attention everyone! Come to the splash battle!
Yay!
Woohoo! Splash battle up for me. Come in. OMG, Elsa.
What?
It's really happening. We're setting up our own splash battle. And look at everyone. They're here to watch. Splash battle. Splash battle. Splash battle. Splash battle.
Splash
Oh, yeah. Splash battle.
Okay!
Anya versus Elsa.
Elsa.
Who wants to see the biggest splashes ever?
Me.
Me! This is gonna be 2 rounds.
First of all, me versus Elsa. Second of all, me versus Elsa for 2 rounds. So, let's do it by starting with me. And y'all are the judges.
Yay!
Okay, here I go. And splash.
Wow!
Huh, told you Anya was so cool.
No!
Boo! What?
Boo!
No way. The second round, I'm winning for sure.
Okay, I'll show
Yep.
Three.
Do you think that's a splash? Well, I did one better. Woohoo!
Woohoo!
Go, my little girl. Yay!
Boo! I think that's a boo!
Come on. Yay! Woohoo! Told you I was the best one ever, because guess what? One person, they were the judges for you, and they said boo. So that means that they were going for me, too.
No, I wasn't going for you or her.
Rude! Round 2, I'm gonna beat you.
Okay, go on.
Round 2!
Round
2! 1! Boo!
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 Anya!
Send her out! Send her out! Send her out!
No! Think you're gonna send me out for a win? We're the ones that started the battle! Hope I win. I am gonna do the biggest splash ever! Nah. I believe you!
I knew you would believe me.
Not. What? Go! 3. Lose, lose, lose.
1.
Here it comes!
Whoa! 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 Whoa!
Whoa!
That was a record of the biggest splash ever, Anya! I mean, Elsa!
Oh, yeah! Wow! Congratulations, Elsa! You won! You won! But although you won, I'm still mad. Huh, Anya?
Anya, are you really crying?
Prank! Double prank, triple prank, a trillion pranks! That's because you won! I was pranking you!
Oh, yeah. Uh-huh.
I was being funny!
Shake your hair in the
Woohoo.
air like you just don't care.
Want to swim a little bit, girls? Okay! Anya! I mean, Elsa! Why do I keep calling you Anya? Let's have a race!
What the what?
3, 2, 1, go! Woo! I won!
That was a record of the fastest swimmer! Yay! Okay, girls, it's time to go, okay? But guess what? Look behind you. Huh? He wanted to tell you goodbye. Goodbye!
Goodbye! Will we see him again?
Yep, you'll see him next time you come here.
Yay!
Okay, girls, let's go eat some dinner. What do you want for dinner?
Hey, I really want a
some fried
hamburger. Yeah,
chicken.
no, I want a taco. Okay.
I'm cute.
Me too. I'm gonna tell them all the fun I had.
Okay.